Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to yet another foundation review. Today I am reviewing my first ever stick foundation by Huda Beauty called the #FauxFilter Skin Finish Foundation Stick. Try saying that 5 times fast. Anyway, if you are new to my channel, welcome. I make beauty related videos and would love for you to join the Sassy family, or as I like to call it, my Sass fam. So as always, I'll give you some facts and then apply the foundation. So the foundation comes in 39 shades and each shade has a letter after it. So for example, the shade that I got was Apple Pie 255B. Now the B just stands for beige undertones, and they also have neutral, golden and red undertones, so kind of something for everyone, because there's nothing worse than your foundation not matching your undertones, because it's not only gonna make you look ashy, it's also going to age you, and nobody wants that, because honestly adulting is hard enough without your makeup aging you. Am I right? Now for a light to medium coverage, they suggest applying the foundation directly onto the face and then buffing or blending it with a makeup sponge or a foundation brush. So this is what it's looking like after just the one layer of the foundation, and it has just melted into my skin. It doesn't even feel like I have foundation on. Definitely very lightweight. It definitely is not full coverage. I can still see my acne scar. So for a full coverage effect, they suggest applying the foundation directly onto a like a dense foundation brush. So that's what I'm going to do. Just going to apply it on this and then apply that directly onto my face. So this is what it's looking like after 2 layers of the foundation to get the full coverage effect. Unfortunately, it hasn't taken care of the acne scar, like I can still see it, but I'll apply the concealer and then the setting powder and all that when I finish my makeup to see if it takes care of the scar. But the foundation on its own, it feels very lightweight. Even the second layer of the foundation just melted into the skin, and so far I'm loving it. I'm just gonna finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. This foundation actually doesn't have a lot of claims, but both on the website and the back of the box it says that the foundation has a natural finish with buildable coverage, and its long wearing formula is waterproof, humidity and sweat resistant, which in my opinion makes it perfect for the summer, especially if you go swimming a lot. It is also fragrance free, as in I literally don't smell anything, like there's not even a light scent. It is vegan and non-comedogenic, which just means that it won't clog your pores. It is a medium coverage formula that you can build on to get the full coverage effect. Now if you're wondering what's the difference between the #FauxFilter stick foundation and the #FauxFilter liquid foundation, then this one has 9 extra shades in it, but in terms of coverage, the liquid foundation is a matte foundation that will give you full coverage after applying just 1 layer of the foundation. It is advertised as a 10-hour wear foundation, but I'll check back in after 2 hours just to see how the foundation is doing. So it has been 2 hours since I applied the foundation and the rest of my makeup, and when I look in the mirror, the foundation still looks perfect, my makeup looks perfect. It's not shiny, it's just really emphasizing the highlighted area, so like above my cheekbone and the bridge of my nose, but there's no caking. The foundation still feels really lightweight and hydrating as well. So this is what we are looking like after 10 hours of applying the foundation. And when I look in the mirror, my T-zone area has gotten shiny but not cakey. The foundation still feels really lightweight and natural. Now keep in mind, I only set my face once while I was applying my makeup, and I haven't touched up my makeup since the morning. But if you're going somewhere fancy, which in 2020 I can only assume is a grocery store, and you don't want to look shiny, make sure to keep some blotting paper or setting powder close by. So let me start off with the price of the foundation, which is a whopping 51 Canadian dollars plus tax. And that to me is more on the expensive side. But then again, the Huda Beauty brand is not a drugstore brand. So let's keep the price aside for a minute and review the actual foundation. Not a huge fan of the matte black packaging. I mean, I like the white and pink against the black packaging. I feel like it makes the product look very luxe, but not a fan of the matte black part. Other than that, the only other thing that I can think of that might be confusing for people is the name. And what I mean by that is some people might think that the hashtag FauxFilter foundation stick is the same as the hashtag FauxFilter liquid foundation, but it's not. And as I mentioned earlier, the stick foundation gives more of a skin-like finish, and the liquid foundation gives more of a glam full coverage finish. Now what I love about this foundation is how easily it blended into my skin and how lightweight it has felt all day. And as you saw, I did apply 2 layers of the foundation to get the full coverage effect, and even after 10 hours my face doesn't look cakey at all. So I'd say that it is a long wearing foundation. However, it is definitely not a matte foundation, so you are going to look shiny, and if that is the concern, then be sure to have some blotting paper or setting powder close by. Having said that, I'm going to blot my face and apply some water to see if the foundation is waterproof. Okay, so now that I'm done blotting my face, I'm just gonna take your regular tap water and apply that. And let's see. Oh, if it comes out. So as you can see, the water is just sitting on my skin. It's not absorbing into my skin. It kind of makes me think of like when you get your car freshly waxed and then the water just beads on the car. Kind of the same thing. The water is beading on my skin. So I'm just going to take some Kleenex and then blot the water off to see. And as you can see, the foundation doesn't come off on the Kleenex, so I'm going to go ahead and say that the foundation is waterproof. In terms of transfer, it did transfer onto my mask, as you can see, but it's not like the entire thing transferred onto my mask. Like, I still have foundation where the mask was touching my face, and so for all these reasons, I'm giving the Huda Beauty hashtag FauxFilter Skin Finish Foundation Stick 4.5 stars. And that brings us to the end of our video today. If you liked it, please take a moment to smash the like button. If you've tried this foundation, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Subscribe to my channel for more beauty related videos, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload my next video. Till then, bye bye.